Good morning students, welcome to the computer class. In the previous class, we have started with chapter 7, that is more on tux paint. We have already discussed how to make sketches using the paint tool, the sub toolbar of the tux paint window, and also the different magical effects which we can give using the magic tool. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the stamp tool, the lines tool, and the magic mirror effect. So let us begin with the stamp tool. Now the stamp tool is an important feature of the tux paint. Whenever we want to put any stamp or add images in our drawing, we can make use of the stamp tool. The stamp tool is present in the toolbar, and also tux has got some inbuilt stamps, means the stamps are already present. But if you want to download more stamps, you can click on the website or the link that is given in page 60 of your computer textbook. Now, how to use the stamp tool? Now, in order to use the stamp tool, we have to first click on the stamp tool. Then we can select any stamp from the options given in the right hand side, that is the sub tool area. Also, you can see the left arrow and the right hand arrow on the sub toolbar, and where you can select more stamps, and also you can increase the size or decrease the size of a stamp using the slope bar. Now what is a slope bar? The slope bar, it is present just above the color palette, and you can see the slope bar, the sizes ranging from smaller to the bigger sizes. So if you want to make a bigger size of the stamp, then you can make it using the slope bar, which is present above the color palette. Next, magic mirror effect. Now what is magic mirror effect? Now whenever you stand in front of the mirror, what do you see? You see your identical image on the mirror, just that your left hand side appears as right and the right hand side appears as left. So we can also give magic mirror effect of the stamps using the magic mirror tool. Now how will you give the magic mirror effect? We can suppose we are drawing a stamp, we can use the mirror image of the selected stamp by choosing the mirror option. And where is the mirror option present? It is present below the right and the left hand arrow in the sub toolbox. In the sub toolbox is on the right hand side, and you can see the mirror option below the right and the left hand arrow on the sub tool box. Okay, now click on the mirror button. Suppose you want to give the magic mirror effect. First you select a stamp, then when you click on the mirror button, and you first click on the stamp, then click on the mirror button, and then you can see the mirror image of the stamp. Means identical image, just they are structurally different. The left hand side appears right and the right hand side appears left, just like as we stand in front of the mirror. Okay, so this is the magic mirror effect. Where is the mirror button present? It is present just below the right and the left hand arrow of the sub tool box. Now let us come to the next tool, which is the lines tool. What is the lines tool? The lines tool, it is similar to the paint tool. The only difference is that whenever we use the line tool, it is used to draw straight lines and straight patterns, right? We can draw straight lines and straight patterns using the line tool. And another difference is that whenever we are using the paint tool, we can see the image we are drawing at the moment we are drawing. But whenever you use the lines tool, you can see the image only after it is completed. Okay, whenever you use the line tool, you can see a straight line starting from the beginning point till the ending point, and you can see the whole image only after it is completed, right? Now how will you suppose we want to draw patterns using the lines tool, right? So how will you draw? We can click on the lines tool, and if we select the patterns, and if you drag the mouse to the canvas, we'll see the patterns come in a straight line. Okay, so whenever you want to draw any straight patterns or straight lines, you can use the lines tool. Understood? So with this, we have come to the end of this chapter, and I'll be giving the question answers and the fill in the blanks in the Google Classroom, and your work will be to complete the work in your classwork copies. Okay, so I'll wind up the chapter for today. Thank you.